Hey, welcome to Crafty Anew. In today's video, I'm bringing you 3 bathroom decor DIYs. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. Okay, so for our first project, you're going to need 2 of these canvas frames. I purchased these from Michael's, but you can get them from the Dollartree for $1 a piece. And we're just going to remove the canvas from the frame. And I'm using the staple remover that I received and a staple gun that I purchased from Amazon, and I'll put that link in the description box below in case you're interested. And we're going to remove both canvases on these. And then once we remove the canvases, I'm going to go over each canvas with a thin layer of Mod Podge. This helps the vinyl stick to the canvas better because I'm using some vinyl printouts from my Cricut on these. And then once that's dry, I'm going to put my frame back on there just so that I can get a good position for my first word, which is hello. And I'm just going to put that up there in the corner. You can put it wherever you want. This is just how I'm doing it. And then my second printout is going to be gorgeous. So this is going to say hello gorgeous on it, and I'm just going to center it on the canvas. And then once I have that done, I'm going to go over the frame with my Waverly chalk paint and ink, and I'm just going to give that one good coat. And we're going to do this to both frames. Now once we have both frames painted black, I'm going to go in with my folk art paint in Adirondack, and I'm just going to dry brush that white over the black. And again, we're doing this to both frames. Hey, make sure you guys check out my social media pages for more tips and tricks. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook at Crafty Anew, and then you can find me on Twitter at Crafty_Anew. And then once we have those painted, I'm just centering the frame back onto the canvas, and we're going to cut off the extra canvas. Then once we have the extra canvas cut off, we are going to hot glue that canvas to the back of the frame. And there's our first one all finished. Hello, gorgeous. I actually seen these in Hobby Lobby, and I knew we could redo this for just pennies. This is actually only like $1. And then I'm just going to go over it with some more of my ink because I really like the I like the enameled look. And then with our other canvas, again, I'm putting the word hello. And then this one, I'm putting handsome at the bottom. And I will leave my fonts in the description box below that I used on Cricut Canvas. And then again, we're cutting off the extra canvas and we're gluing that to the frame. And there's our 2 signs, hello gorgeous and hello handsome. And then I'm going to go over it with some Mod Podge because this is going to be in the bathroom. so I kind of want it to have a little more protection. And then I turn it over, and on the back I'm using the staple gun because it has the round staples, so I thought that would be perfect to insert, and that's what I'm going to hang it with. And I thought these turned out so gorgeous. I love the black for the bathroom. Now for our next project, you're going to need a piece of wood, or you can actually use like a Dollartree sign. This is just some wood that I had on hand, and it's 14 inches long. I'm going to paint the back of this with Waverly chalk paint and ink because I like the back of my project finished. Hey, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads, and hit that like button because every like helps YouTube notice me just a little bit more. And then once I have the back painted black, I'm going to go, and this is the front side of my sign, I'm going to paint it in white. And you're going to see why here. I only had black vinyl, so I had to print my letters out in black vinyl, or this would have been painted black also with white lettering. So I ended up painting the front of it white, and then we went in with the black lettering. And then I'm going to go in with the word bath that I printed out on my Cricut. And then I also printed out 25 cents, which I could not get it to transfer, so I decided just to use my fingers to put it on there. I'm going to go in with this Soap Extra printout, and now you have a sign that says bath 25 cents, soap is extra. And then I'm going to go in with my Waverly chalk paint and ink, and I'm just going to paint all over this. And it's going to match my Hello Gorgeous, Hello Handsome sign. And I know I'm going in heavy-handed because that's what I wanted. And then I'm going in with my Folk Art paint and Adirondack. And I'm going to go over some of that black lettering because it was still too shiny for me. So I'm just going to go over it with some white. And then I'm taking a sawtooth hanger and I'm centering it on the back. And I'm just going to screw that down. And then I'm finishing off the back with some of my white Adirondack, because again, I like all my projects finished. And there we have it. Baths are 25 cents, but soap is extra. I thought this turned out so cute, and I love the black and white. And I'll leave the fonts in the description box below. So our next project, you're going to need 6 mirrors that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to remove all the plastic and the mirrors from the frames. And then once we have all the mirrors removed, we're going to go in with my Adirondack paint, and we're going to just slop the paint on there. It doesn't have to be perfect because the frames are already black, and we're going for that black and white look. We're sticking with the same theme here. So I'm just slopping the white paint on there. And then once we have the white paint on there, I'm just trying to figure out how I want my frames to go on. which I like the 3 on top and 3 on bottom. And then I'm going to hot glue these and super glue these together. And I purchased the super glue from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just super gluing the sides for that long time hold, and then the hot glue for my short hold. And then once we have all 6 frames glued together, I'm going in with these jumbo craft sticks, and I'm just going to reinforce the edges here so that my mirror doesn't fall apart on me, because these frames from the Dollar Tree are very flimsy, so you definitely need some reinforcement on the back. And I'm just hot gluing those down there. And then I'm going in with my Waverly chalk paint and ink, and I'm just going to slap this black paint all over here. Just slap it on there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, because we're going for the black and white, enameled, farmhouse, aged look, whatever you want to call it. And then once all the paint is dry, I'm going to flip it back over, and I'm just going to put back in the mirrors and the cardboard pieces that went on the frames. And then I'm taking some nautical rope, and I'm going to cut 2 equal pieces. These are going to be my hangers. I think they were about 4 or 5 inches long. And I'm going to hot glue those on the far left and the far right mirror, and I'm going to center those. So I'm just going to loop them and hot glue it down. And this is what I'm going to hang it with. And then I'm just taking a piece of popsicle stick. Sorry, I hate that term. A piece of craft stick, and I'm just going to glue that on top of there for more reinforcement. They didn't quite fit all the way down. The jute, or the nautical rope was a bit thick, but it was holding. And then again, finishing off my project, I'm going to glue down some craft paper on the back. Then I'm going in with the window cleaner, the totally awesome window cleaner from the Dollar Tree that I love. I'm going to give each mirror a good cleaning, and this is what we have. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 projects I brought to you today. I really had fun making them, and I thought they turned out absolutely gorgeous. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads. And be sure to give me a big thumbs up and share this video for me and let other people see what they're missing out on. Thank you for watching, and I want to wish everybody a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!